Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am undergoing a rebrand. My username on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and YouTube is Real Boring Housewife because I think I'm settling in to that part of my life. Today's video is showing you an unboxing of my own bag. What does that mean? That means I once again went to leather surgeons for their specialty and care for my handbags. I have used leather surgeon before, so when I needed something done with my Louis Vuitton Capucines bag from a boo-boo that I made, I sent the bag off to them. And I'm gonna unbox it now because I had looked at my bag one day and I realized it's a red bag. And I realized there's a spot on it. There were two actually black spots on it. I am a huge advocate and I learned from leather surgeons that we should not be cleaning our bags, like adding lots and lots of leather cleaner buildup to them. So I use the microfiber. I also have a video about that. I wipe my bags down. Once in a while, I might take a little tiny bit of conditioner and rub it on the microfiber all over the bag. But for them and for the price that we pay, it's good to send it to the specialist, okay? So I was going to send my Chanel Jumbo off to them because she's at the point where she needs a facelift. And she is gonna go after this. And then this happened. I looked at my bag and I said, oh my God, there's two spots. I didn't know if it was a scuff from a black pair of shoes. I don't know if it was something in our car. I don't know what happened. I made a mistake. I took an unscented alcohol-free baby wipe and tried to get one of the spots out. That didn't go good. I actually messed with the grain on this bag. Now this bag is a keeper, but the value has gone up a lot since I bought the bag. And this is my investment. And I said, I'm going to stop and I'm going to send it to them. So I contacted Gary, went through the process, and she went out and she's back. Oh, I'm so nervous. I feel like a bad bag mama, but I have missed her in my collection. Let's see. The black spots are gone. Can you see that? Oh, I've missed you. So if you're going to invest in leather, you need to take care of the leather properly. Even if you plan on keeping your bags forever, you still want them to look good. And that's why I'm sending my Jumbo so she can get her little facelift, little threads clipped, professionally cleaned, deep cleaned. It's her time. She's been in my possession for 7 years. I follow Leather Surgeon on Instagram, and please utilize them to clean your bags. It's not terribly expensive, especially compared to the cost of the leather purchases. If you get a pre-loved bag, you know, you're looking at pre-loved bags and you're like, oh, that bag has a sag or it's got a shift. Honey, get the bag, send it to the surgeons. They will revitalize that bag and it will look 10 times better. They're amazing. I can't say enough about them. They're communicative, tracking, everything is great. And again, I think the price is worth it. This was under $300 to get these spots removed and to get her all cleaned up. Thank you, and make sure you follow along to my channel. Hit notifications so you know when I post a new video. Real Boring Housewife. I am on Instagram. I am on TikTok. Very active on both of those platforms. I have a Facebook page. I will see you in my next video. Thank you, and if you have any questions about this process, let me know, but I will be posting a video about it. Bye.